All right.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine.
His health bar is going so far down.
This may have
You've let
exceeded
this
my
get out of
control. Hey,
control,
we
haven't
should
you?
get
Yeah,
to
so
go.
let's yeah,
3, 2,
yeah.
1, go.
Right as I walked away from it.
Oh no, I went so much further.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Art killed himself.
Impact art.
That was bad.
Just
What
fucking hit
happened?
a tree.
I don't know how I'm gonna make this.
I'm gonna need to see this. Because I saw Art fully beans it up the side of a ramp. And it just like that was it, was gone.
I'm fucking crying.